Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you Ring Fit Adventure for Nintendo Switch by Nintendo. An adventure game that's also a workout. Wow, that sounds awesome. And it is awesome too. Explore a huge fantasy world and defeat enemies using real life exercises. Yeah, pump it, baby! Pump, pump, pump! Go, go, go! Jog, sprint, and high knee. Touch dozens of levels. Control in-game movement with the new ring Kong and leg strap accessories. Learn about all the great new features, including a new voice option and a fun new rhythm game mode that are included in the latest free update. Because it is not available so often. It is every time I saw it in the last month out of order. But now I have grabbed it. The new ring Kong and the leg strap accessories bunch too as real-world movements. It's allowing the game to turn them into in-game actions. Become a master potter and also a master squatter. Ha ha ha. Traverse grass-swept plains by jogging in place, attack enemies with overhead shoulder presses, and refill our health meter by striking some yoga poses. Oh, and that makes so much of fun. With additional minigames and customizable workout routines, Ring Fit Adventure is a great escape for players of all skills levels and shuttles. Want to complete with others? Oh yes, of course. Pass around the ring Kong and the leg strap accessories and select from 12 minigames. It's fun for the whole family. If we are looking for a more formal workout, we can create customizable workout routines, mixing exercises and minigames to help break a sweat. Oh, it's so nice to sweat with this awesome game. Explore fantastic adventure world to defeat a bodybuilding dragon and his minions using real-life exercises. Traverse grass-swept plains by jogging in place. Attack enemies with overhead shoulder press, for example, and refill your health meter by striking some yoga poses. 2 new accessories, the ring Kong and the leg strap, measure our real-world actions and help to turn them into in-game movement. With additional minigames, Ring Fit Adventure is great escape for players of all skill levels and shuttles. In the adventure mode, defeat enemies with attacks based on the real-world exercises. As you work through each level and possible work up a sweat, we will earn experience points. Between fights, we we encounter some unusual methods of transportation such as quad-powered launch pads and more. Want to compete with others? Pass around the ring Kong accessory and select from a few minigames. Break boxes with guests of air, craft pottery, using squats, and many others. And it is really easy to enjoy because the device will help us. It helps us to get into this awesome world of the Ring Fit Adventure. And the boss is really awesome. It's a bodybuilding dragon, and he He is really Arnold-like, and we will defeat him. Yeah, let's have fun with this and lose some weight with this, because I am make a workout each day, every day, and and I like it really awesome every day. I'm a little bit scary that I can handle the next level for me, but it's no problem. If you cannot handle it, you can go down with the power level a little bit, and then you can handle it. Oh yeah, that's right. This is a Ring Fit Adventure for Nintendo Switch, and this is a really awesome new game from Nintendo for the Nintendo Switch. I like it, I love it, and I work out with that game every day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.